Hello lovelies, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how to do a cubic twist. As you can see, I'm sectioning my daughter's hair. I don't have a particular pattern that I'm going for. I'm just roughly sectioning it. You can choose to section it in a square pattern, rectangular pattern, or triangular pattern, or even semicircular pattern, anyone you like. So over here, I'll just roughly section it. I don't have a specific pattern that I'm going for, as I said. So that's what you see me doing. Lovelies, kindly give this video a thumbs up and feel free to share it out. It will be of help to someone out there, okay? Now I'm going to work with this section that I'm holding. As you can see, I spray the edges with water. I have only water in my spray bottle. Then I'll detangle it a little bit, not too much. Our hair is already stretched out, okay? Then I went ahead to moisturize the edges with, lay it down with this whipped buttercream, okay? Our hair is already moisturized, as you can see how shiny it looks. So I went ahead to lay the edges down with this whipped buttercream and brush it down. You can see how soft and shiny it looks. Then I'll secure it with these small rubber bands. Okay. Hold it not too tight. Please, not too tight. If not, our edges will damage and break off. Okay. So I went ahead to add these colorful ribbons. You know, kids, they like something colorful. So I added this to brighten it out. So I'm going to do the same to the other section. Spray the edges with little water. Lay it down with buttercream. Then I'll brush it down exactly the way I did the first one. Comb it out a little bit. Lay it with this buttercream. You can choose to use edge control or styling gel, anyone you like. But if you've been following me, you will know that I don't like using much styling gel on my children's hair. So this buttercream is very good and all natural. Secure it with rubber bands and repeat the same thing with the other sections. Now I'm done with all the sections. As you can see, well parted and secured with rubber bands. So I'm going to take them aside and work with one section. So I'm going to divide this section into two parts. I'm going to split it into two, as you can see. Okay, then I'll twist one part. I'm twisting to the left. You can see anyone that is convenient for you. I'm twisting to the left. This part is very important, please. I'm twisting to the left. If you choose to twist to the right, twist both section to this same direction here. Make sure you twist these mini sections in the same direction. So I chose to twist to the left. Okay, so to join the two, to create the cubic, you can see, then I twisted to the opposite side. This section is very important. This is where you get the cubic twist, okay? Twist to the opposite side. Don't twist to the left side that has twisted the mini twists. Hope you understand me. I'm going to show you the second time. Divide one section, split one section into two. Twist to your desired direction. I'm twisting to the left, okay? I'll do that to the other parts, the other splitted parts, yeah, as you can see, to the same direction, to the left. The 2 mini twists are twisted to the left. So when it's time to join the two together, then you twist to the opposite side, which is the right. Okay, this method will give you a cubic look of the twist. If the both twist goes in the same direction like the first mini ones, you will not get the cubic look. Another close look, please pay attention. Divide it into 2 like this. Twist to your desired direction. I chose to twist to the left. You can choose to twist to the right. If you twist to the right, that means you are going to join the 2 twists facing the left direction, okay? But I twisted these mini ones to the left. So when joining the 2 together, I directed it to the right, okay? Because I twisted to the left. I'm twisting to the left now. So I'll join the 2 by twisting to the right. Watch me and see. So here I'm showing you, when you twist it to the same direction, you will not get the cubic look. It will give you another look, okay? So you twist to the opposite direction. That's what will give you a cubic look, cubic twist, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the same thing to the other sections. I'm left with the last one. Do the same thing, divide into 2, twist to the left, then join the 2 mini twists by twisting to an opposite direction. Very simple and easy to do. Try this hairstyle on your kids' hair and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. It's very simple and beautiful on kids. So I'm just twisting out the final parts, as you can see. Once again, guys, remember to give this video a thumbs up and feel free to share it out, okay? Thank you so much for watching to this point. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much. God bless you. So I'm twisting it to the opposite direction, as you can see, and it's forming the cubic twist, okay? Very simple and beautiful. So now I'll go ahead and seal the ends of our hair with the buttercream. I'll add a little bit to the tips of our hair just to seal in the moisture, not to dry off. As you know, natural hair needs moisture all the time. Then I'll moisturize our scalp with this herbal hair growth oil. Shake it well, then add a little bit to our roots, the root of our hair, that's our scalp. Moisturize it very well. She's going to carry this hairstyle for 2 weeks with a good maintenance, which is moisturizing it every evening before going to bed. With this same method, I'll moisturize our scalp with this herbal hair growth oil, seal in the ends of our hair with the buttercream, and then wrap our hair with a satin scarf before going to bed. With this maintenance, this hairstyle will last for 2 weeks. As you can see, I went ahead to add more accessories. As you know, little girls, they like colorful accessories, yeah. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching to this point. If you find it helpful or interesting, kindly give it a thumbs up and feel free to share to your loved ones. Yeah. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye.